So now we have to write docker pull. If you don't have this like Ubuntu, you can write docker pull Ubuntu. If you are getting the Ubuntu, then you can write docker. I'm going to execute directly this because already mine has been my Ubuntu email container is present there. So I'm going to directly execute this docker space exec minus it or hyphen id, then copy your container id, place it, then paste it, then give your space, then write bash. Now you will be inside your container. Now here we are going to type the program. If I want to welcome, I have to write touch command, then touch. You can give any container, you can give any name. Let's give the name as X. Let me type the program. Actually, this touch command will be used to create your file. So now the file has been created X, but nothing will be, no contents will be there inside your X. And this echo command, whatever I'm writing now currently, it will display the whatever has been written. Now welcome has been written, it is going to display that. Next, I'm going to use my cat. This cat command will be using to transfer your all the contents inside your file. My file name is X, my contents is welcome. So now my welcome is going to paste inside the file X. You can see the output as welcome. Now quickly write, let's write quickly one more program in the simpler way only. Touch there is a difference between touch and cat. The touch command will be using to create the file with the empty contents, and the cat command will be transferring the contents inside your file. Quickly, we are writing a simple one more program. Touch X FDP echo FDP on Docker. Remember, double quote space insertion operator. Then you have to write capital X without any space. You have to give the space after Docker. That's all. Then enter. You have to write cat space capital X. Enter. Can you see now? You are going to see both outputs which has been inserted inside your file X. That is the welcome which has been inserted in the first time, and FDP on Docker which has been inserted in the second time. Now let's write one more program quickly. Touch space capital Y. Then echo welcome to AMCEC. Double quote space, then insertion operator. Then you can give any the file whatever you have been created. Now press enter. You have to write cat Y. Small letter cat space capital Y. Okay, now enter. You can see the program welcome to AMCEC as my output. Now we are going to merge these two files, X and Y. So how to write this? We are going to write touch space capital X space capital Y, then enter. Then you have to write cat, cat space capital X space capital Y, then enter. Now can you see the output? It's very interesting. You can see all these things has been deployed inside on your screen. Welcome FDP on Docker. Welcome to AMCEC. I hope all of you have got the idea of writing the small program. If you want to exit from here, you have to write directly exit. You have to write here exit. Okay, so now we have come out with our local host only. We are going to type the next command here. We are going to write, if you want any kind of help from your Docker on your volume. So now here you can write Docker volume space Okay, now you can see all the commands here, create command, inspect command, ls, prune, rm, all these things are commands or inside your volume. If you want to manage your volume, you have to write this volume. If suppose you don't have this volume, you have to write sudo docker volume, as it is already present here. I'm not going to write that one, but if you want to install your volume, you can write docker sudo sudo then volume. Now, actually, I want to tell you that why you are using these volumes. Actually, this specifies your command line integrations, CLI commands, and it is very easy to keep the backups, and it will be useful for your migrating all the bind mounts. So we will be having multiple containers. By using these volumes, you can safely share all these containers from one platform to another platforms. There are many benefits for using these volumes. Actually, it can work on any of the Linux or Windows containers, any of the containers you can use on Docker API too. And if you want to have the new volumes with new contents and all, you can do all these things. So now we are going to the next one. If I want to create the volume, you have to write Docker volume create hello. My volume name is hello. So I have been, okay, then you have to press enter. You can see hello volume has been created. Now, if I want to see the list of volumes, you can write docker volume ls. Now you can see here the local volume has been created in the name of your hello. So now let's create one more volume, and we will see how to remove this volume. You have to write again docker volume create mcc enter. You can see mcc now created. We will remove this volume now. We have to write docker volume rm space mcc. You have to specify the volume name. If you have multiple volumes to remove, you have to use, you can see now it has been removed. If you want to multiple volume, if you want to remove at a time, you have to use docker volume rm. I'll just show you the command here, but we are going to get the error in this. Why? Because we have not created the volume. Just I want to show you the command. We are going to write docker volume rm minus f space. The first volume I created as hello. I'll be writing hello and space. I'm writing, let's write AMCC, but already AMCC has been removed. So definitely it will give you an error. This hello and AMCEC. As already been volume has been removed, you can see both. Now next, okay, now let's see one more command. If you want to directly display the commands, you can write docker run ubuntu space echo space. I'm writing FDP in the double quote, FDP on Docker. Enter. Now you can see it has been created, it has been displaying. This is my output. So in this way, you can use all these commands, and we are going to give you one more last command, that is docker ps. If you want any kind of help, if you want to use any kind of help, you have to write docker ps help. You can get all the kinds of help from here.